Hey everybody, this is Leo from the Department of Planning and Community Development. I'm going to show you today how to create a mailing list or a mail merge document from our parcel map for CSV to a CSV file. And you're going to do that from the planning viewer. Click that. I've already got it open here. Brings you this application. There's a couple ways to do this and a couple different options on how to export this, but the first thing you want to do is find your parcel. So you're going to be typically we buffer a parcel for 300 feet and then send out mailers that way. You might have a different workflow or a different reason why or a different buffer or whatever. So first you select your parcel. So I'm just going to do a search here for my parcel. So I got my parcel here, and there it is. So it had this identify tool open. It identified this parcel. Now I'm going to want to go up here to this mailing label tool. It's a little envelope icon, and I'm going to stay on the select tab because I'm going to be selecting a parcel. There's actually a shortcut way to do this. I'll show you really quick. When you first open your map, your identify tool is going to be turned on, but you can go ahead and turn this tool on, and you're going to want to do the parcel owner address usually for these. So 2235 First Avenue, hit enter. So there you go. It's going to select my parcel based on this tool now. So I had this tool activated when I did the search. So now I have my parcel selected. And this is the boundary that the buffer is going to be based off of. So typically, you'll see this buffer graphic here. So there's a misconception. When I click a parcel like this, and I select buffer graphic, and I click, what that's going to do is it's going to buffer that point that I just selected. It's not going to actually buffer the parcel, so we don't want to use that in this case. So for instance, if I have buffer graphic on 300 feet, you see it just buffered that line that I selected. Let's see. It buffered that box, not the actual parcel. So what we want to do is not that. I want to clear. I want to go back here. I want to scroll back to our point. Turn off that tool. Turn this tool back on. Disable that for this because we want to select the parcel. We have our parcel. There it is. Selected it. Now we're going to go to buffer. This is where you do the 300-foot buffer because it'll buffer around this actual parcel boundary. So we're going to apply a buffer distance, 300 feet. Do it again. Do it again. Let's try clearing it. Nope, doesn't want to work. Let's try. Oh, there it goes. Just took 20 times. So now you have your 300-foot buffer. So now we want to select all the parcels within that buffer. So we want to select the owner addresses of these. And this tool is intersected by. Any parcel that's intersected by this buffer is going to be selected. I click that and it's going to give me this dialog. Do you want to use the buffer graphics or the selection graphics? You want to use the buffer graphics because the selection graphics is just your parcel. The buffer graphics is this. Hit that. There we have our list. This gives us maximum, I think, 5,000 records. So if you do a 5,000 record search, it's going to take a while and you might crash your browser, but it's doable. Next, you're going to hit this export all to CSV. It's going to dump it into your downloads folder. Now we have a mail merge document where we load that into. So we can go here and just see it in the folder. Parcel owner's address, downloads. Here's our mail merge document already set up to our mailing cards. You might have a different one for your use. We go to mailings, and then we go to select recipients, use existing list. And the downloads, parcel owner address. It's going to give you this file conversion. Just go ahead and click OK. And looks like nothing happened, but something actually did happen. We're going to go to preview results. Nothing happened. The reason why is because I haven't matched the fields in this on this computer yet. So for first name, we're going to hit owner, address 1, street address, and city is city, state, zip. And then so the city, state, and zip is all in one field, so I just use it for city. Street address is self-explanatory, and the owner, first name. It's going to have both names in there. Remember this address for this computer. Every time you start this on a new computer, you're going to have to rematch the fields, unfortunately. Hit OK. Hit preview results. There we go. You can click this next record just to make sure you got everything in here. Go to the end. 45 records. What did we have here? 45 records. Next step, finish and merge. I usually do finish and merge, print all Adobe PDF. Click OK. Well, this computer might be, yep, it's asking me where to save it. I'm just going to save it to the desktop. Now merge to. Your file has been created. Helps if I open the PDF. There it is. Now you can send it to the printer. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit more complicated parcel address list where you have to select multiple parcels that aren't congruent or not next to each other, and don't intersect anything. So you're kind of selecting kind of random parcels. So look out for that one. Thanks.